something super cool. I gave you guys a little hint about it the other day, okay? I'm not gonna tell you anything yet, but you know something by the thumbnail and the title of the video. But let's go. Baby is still sleeping. We're back. Okay, so there's the sign. You see the sign right there? So that's another little hint. Yamaha, KTM, or Suzuki. You guys gotta wait. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. Pretty much since they first came out. Yeah. I always did the demos, you know, like Protein or like Push Valley or whatever. Right. And absolutely love it. Yeah, no, they're awesome. I don't race anymore, so it's just a fun bike now, you know. Yeah. So, no doubt. Good. Cool, man. Hey, I appreciate everything. Absolutely. Oh man, guys, look at that huge bird crap. I gotta get that sucker off of there. All right, so here's the deal. I have to give a huge shout out to my amazing, wonderful wife. If you're watching this, she's gonna watch this. I mean, she's sitting in the truck right now. You know the deal with the whole wife thing, okay? You guys get it. Huge shout out to my wife for this. All right, guys, here it is. I'm done rambling. Here's what we got. Let's take a look. There it is, 2019, brand new, never before seen dirt, KTM 150SX. I, myself, me, have literally always wanted one of these bikes, okay? I have always wanted a KTM 150 ever since they released them back. I don't even know when they came out, from a while ago. Okay, so what we usually do is we go to the KTM demo days. If you guys ride, if you guys have seen ever a KTM demo day, you go to like a track or like a riding facility place, a riding park where they got whatever, and you know, KTM will come and they will bring their new lineup for the year. And my favorite bike at all times, all the time, out of the 450, 350, 250, 125, 150, 250, two-stroke, my favorite bike right there, KTM 150. But the thing was I grew up racing motocross, and it wasn't really practical for me to have a KTM 150. I no longer race. I'm older now. We have a baby. We have an amazing baby, and I'm not racing. I don't have time to train, practice, do the whole thing that motocross requires. So that brings us to this right here, this amazing fun machine that I absolutely cannot wait to get on and ride. It's going to be so cool. Guys, you got to stay tuned for what we have planned. The next like 3-4 days are just going to be dirt bike days. It's going to be epic. It's going to be awesome. You guys are going to see it. But yeah, this is the bike. This is it, 2019 KTM 150SX. So pumped. I'm super excited to add this to the channel. Yes, we're gonna still hammer out awesome power stroke content. Everything we've been doing, I have more plans for that stuff as well. So don't think that stuff is gonna end. This stuff is just gonna be added in. All right, guys, that is it. This is the deal. You've seen the bike. I pulled the trigger. We got it. 2019 KTM 150SX. Super pumped. Can't wait to ride this thing. We're going to Longhorn Steakhouse. So stay tuned for some more videos coming your way. More dirt bike videos. We're going to get this thing on the track, and we're going to see what it does. But, as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!